classes. I am Garvit Pandey from RS Public School, presenting here the third chapter of computer. Here the third chapter is using Windows 7. Now the first term is what is Windows 7? Windows 7 is a version of Windows operating system. Or Windows OS. Now what is the term OS? What is operating system? What is operating system? OS. The operating system acts as an interface between user and computer hardware. Means this operating system works as an interface between the user and computer hardware. Now, the second thing is what are the types of operating system? There are two types of operating system. First one is CLI and second one is GUI. First one is CLI, second one is GUI. The CLI is also known as CUI. CLI means command line interface. Or CUI means character user interface, and GUI means graphical user interface. The earlier operating system were based on CUI. In this type of operating system, everything is done by typing command. जो भी वर्क हमको करना होता था, हम कमांड के थ्रू परफॉर्म करते थे. But there is a hurdle to learn all these commands. There are many commands. There are many commands for different functions. So we have to learn each command. That is a hurdle. That is a difficult task for us. So to increase the reliability of the user, a new type of operating system presented that is based on GUI, means that is based on graphics or icons. In the GUI based operating system, we can select any icon or picture to any icon or folder to open that icon or folder. Okay. The CLI based OS are MS-DOS, Microsoft Disk Operating System, and Unix. And the GUI based operating system are MS Windows and Mac OS. Now further move to our topic, MS Windows. MS Windows is called MS Windows because it is developed by MS Microsoft, a US based company. This Windows is developed by Microsoft US based company. That's why this operating system is called Microsoft Windows. Then the first version of Windows was released in November 20, 1985. The first version was introduced in November 20, 1985. Now we will move on further topics. What is the advantage of Windows operating system? First one is it is easy to use. If you want to open in any folder, we have to just double click on that folder, then that folder will be opened. We can easily draw diagram, we can easily write letters, we can easily prepare presentation in the Windows operating system. Now next topic is Windows 7 desktop. Windows 7 desktop. before understanding desktop, we have to understand one thing, that is booting. What is booting? What is booting? Booting is the process in which operating system loads from secondary storage to primary storage. That process is called booting. When we start our computer, then it takes some time to start. So that time is called booting time. In this time, the operating system is loaded from secondary storage, for example hard disk, to our primary memory RAM, because every instruction, every statement that is to be executed, that must be in the RAM. Now next, when booting process is completed, then start the first screen of the computer appears, which is called desktop. Then first screen of the computer appears, which is called desktop. There are three things that are in the computer desktop. First one is icon, second one desktop background, third one taskbar, fourth one gadget. There are four things appeared in the desktop. First one is icon, second thing gadget, third thing taskbar, and fourth thing desktop background. Let's discuss about all these types of things. First one is icon. Icon is a small picture that is used to represent that type of file. For example, if it is a image file, then it looks like a image. If it is a video, then it looks like a video file. Then second thing is desktop background. The picture looks at the background of the desktop is called desktop background. Third thing is taskbar. Taskbar is a ribbon presented in the bottommost column. In this bar represent the work that are currently working. Next, fourth thing is gadget. Gadget are the shortcut. Gadget are the things that appeared in the screen. Now first thing is icon. What are icon? Icon are the small pictures that are represented, that are called icon. How to select icon? किसी भी आइकन को कैसे सिलेक्ट करेंगे? Move the mouse near the icon and single left click on that icon to select the icon. Move the mouse and click on that icon to select that icon. To select that icon, move the mouse to the icon and then left click on it. Then this icon will be deselected. How to sort the icon in the desktop? If you want to sort the icon in the desktop, then you have to right click on the blank area of desktop. Then go through the sort by option. In the sort by option, you can select any one of them, either time, date, size, etc. These are the categories that categorize data in any order. Fourth thing is hiding desktop icon. If you want to hide any desktop icon, then you have to right click on blank area of desktop. डेस्कटॉप के ब्लैंक एरिया में क्या करेंगे? राइट क्लिक करेंगे, देन गो थ्रू द व्यू में जाएंगे. व्यू में जाने के बाद एक जगह लिखा होगा शो डेस्कटॉप आइकन, दैट विल बी चेक. वो चेक्ड होगा. आपको क्या करना है? आपको उसको अनचेक्ड कर देना है. उस पर आप एक बार क्लिक कर देंगे तो वो अनचेक्ड हो जाएगा. जैसे ही वो अनचेक्ड होगा, आपका जो भी डेस्कटॉप के आइकन है दैट वो हाइड हो जाएंगे. दैट विल बी हाइड, वो हाइड हो जाएंगे. अब अगर आपको उनको दोबारा से गेट करना, दोबारा से देखना है कि आइकन क्या है, आइकन है, तो आप क्या करेंगे, फिर से ब्लैंक एरिया में राइट क्लिक करेंगे, देन गो थ्रू द व्यू, देन क्लिक ऑन शो डेस्कटॉप आइकन, देन चेक कर देंगे उस शो डेस्कटॉप आइकन को, तो आपका जो भी आपके आइकन थे आपके डेस्कटॉप में शो होने लगेंगे। देन फोर्थ थिंग इज टास्क बार, जो लॉन्ग बार, जो कंप्यूटर स्क्रीन में जो लॉन्ग बार कंप्यूटर डेस्कटॉप में जो पोर्शन होता है नीचे एक रिबन के फॉर्म में लॉन्ग बार होता है, उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, टास्क बार कहते हैं। दैट रिप्रेजेंट that has 4 parts. First one is start button, second thing is quick launch bar, third thing is system tray, and fourth thing is show desktop button. Now first one is what is start button. Start button contains some most recently used applications as well as all applications that are installed in your computer. जो भी हमारे कंप्यूटर में एप्लीकेशन स्टार्ट है वो सब मेरे होल्ड किए रहता है, स्टार्ट बटन पे जाके हम उनको फाइंड आउट कर सकते हैं। सेकंड थिंग इज क्विक लॉन्च बार, इफ यू वांट टू लॉन्च any of the tab, any of the folder, if you want to open any of the folder, any of the file very quickly, then you have to create a copy of file to the taskbar portion, then you can easily open that file very quickly. Just go through, आप उस पर जाके एक क्लिक कर देंगे, वो फाइल आपकी ओपन हो जाएगी, वो फोल्डर आपका ओपन हो जाएगा। देन है सिस्टम ट्रे। सिस्टम ट्रे क्या है? सिस्टम ट्रे कुछ चीजों को होल्ड करती है, जैसे कि साउंड आइकन और डेट एंड टाइम एंड एक्शन सेंटर लाइक एंटीवायरस is present or not, antivirus, what is the condition of antivirus, what are the messages of antivirus, etc. If you want to shut down your computer, आपको अगर शट डाउन करना है, then you have to click on start button, then see the panel that is open here. One option is shut down. You have to just click on that option. This is one way. And second way is you have to press Alt plus F4. Alt की क्या करेंगे? Alt की प्रेस करेंगे, उसके साथ F4 की प्रेस कर देंगे, then option will be displayed. उसमें से क्या करना है आपको? Then you have to click on enter button. enter button में क्लिक कर देंगे और आपका कंप्यूटर क्या होगा? शट डाउन हो जाएगा। देन आते हैं व्हाट आर द शॉर्टकट बटन्स इन अ विंडो। शॉर्टकट बटन क्या होती है विंडोज की? देयर आर 4 टाइप्स ऑफ बटन, माइनस, there are 4 types of button. First one is represented as minus sign, that is called minimize button. If you want to minimize any tab, then you have to click on that button. Then this icon will be hidden from the screen and it is represented in the taskbar portion. Second thing is maximize button. If you want to maximize any folder, if any folder is presented in this half area and you want to display in the full area, full screen of the desktop, then you have to click on maximize button. Minimize button, maximize button, then restore down button. If you want to reduce the size of the tab in any one of the portion of the desktop, अगर आपको क्या करना है, कोई भी मेरा टैब फुल स्क्रीन में है, उसको हमको साइड में ओपन करना है, तो हमको क्या करना पड़ेगा? रिस्टोर बटन पर क्लिक करना पड़ेगा। देन फॉर दिस क्लोज बटन, इफ यू वांट टू क्लोज एनी टैब, अगर आपको कोई भी टैब क्लोज करना है, देन यू हैव टू जस्ट क्लिक ऑन दैट क्लोज बटन, देन दैट टैब विल बी क्लोज्ड। फिर वो क्या होगा? टैब क्लोज हो जाएगा। विंडोज 7 एसेसरीज, लास्ट थिंग इज विंडोज 7 एसेसरीज। Windows 7 accessories. Windows 7 Pro. Windows 7 has some predefined functions that are installed when that are inbuilt with it. That are called its accessories. Just like MS Paint, MS Word, calculator, etc. Now consider calculator. What is calculator? Calculator is used to add, subtract, multiply, divide, or many types of tasks in your screen. Okay, thank you.